Some people check in with luggage. I'm checking in with a stroller, snacks, and 3 different opinions on bedtime. Let's see who survives the night at Shell Residences. Right in front of Mall of Asia, this place feels calm even though the city is busy. The air is cool, the guards are friendly, and for a short moment, being a parent feels very easy. The moment we stepped into the lobby, it felt like a resort hiding inside the city. Clean, calm, and surprisingly kid-friendly. The guards smiled. The air smelled like fresh bamboo. And I thought, okay, maybe this is the calm before the storm.
Thank you, anak.
2 minutes in the lobby, then action. Jazz arrives. We settle just above 2,000 pesos, and our one-night home at Shell Residences 1 is ready to explore. SMDC Shell Residences is a 2.2-hectare resort-style condo in Entertainment City, just few steps from the Mall of Asia. There are 4 towers, 16 floors each. Heads up, room numbers repeat by tower, so be very careful and check the tower letter so you don't knock on the wrong room. Time for the big reveal. Does it look like in the photos of Agoda or another expectation versus reality moment? And there she goes, our little one already jumping on the bed. Perfect. I'll be sleeping on the couch tonight. Nanay checks the balcony, gives an approving nod. That's the only review that matters. Even at the swimming pool area, I was very impressed with the cleanliness, while the staffs we met are very polite and helpful. what I like here. It's Manila, but quieter. You've got the pool, the gardens, the kind of space where kids can just be kids without worrying about traffic or noise. My daughter's mission? Conquer the water. My mission? Survive it. Every splash felt like a sneak attack. Even Nanay laughed, which means this staycation is officially a success.
Doon sa kabila. Oh, wag mo.
After 2 hours of splash time, mission complete. Now we change our clothes and hunt for dinner at Mall of Asia. Who's hungry? Dinner mission. Find food everyone agrees on. After a slow 10-minute walk, crossing the bridge to Mall of Asia, we made it to IKEA. It's completely packed. But with Nanay's senior citizen priority, we skipped the long diner queue.
Nasa ilalim yung rice din, hindi ko makuha.
Slice.
Sama pa na ito din. Isasama.
After a very good food at IKEA, we decided to walk around and see what will entice our eyes. Shopping. Sometimes people chase big vacations, but nights like this, simple, messy, full of laughter, remind you what matters. She won't remember the hotel name, but I'll remember the way she looked at the city lights. One night at Shell Residences, city lights outside, family laughter inside. It wasn't perfect, just real. Laughter, good food, wet hair on the pillow, and a daughter who thinks every hallway is a racetrack. If this is all we had today, it's already enough.
Yes. Okay,
Thanks,
good.
Shell, for the pause.
Let's go.
Oh yes, before I forget, if you need a parking space, inform the contact person, as it is more cheaper to park in the basement than just outside. If this made you smile, like the video, comment your favorite staycation spot, subscribe for more family stories, small nights that feel big.